Reliable online analysis begins with reliable sample preparation. In wastewater applications, suspended solids can affect sample flow, increase maintenance requirements, and reduce measurement reliability. The CTS-P system was developed to prepare samples for online analyzers in municipal and industrial wastewater applications with a medium level of contamination, including aeration basins, treatment plant outlets, tanks, and channels. The filter membrane separates suspended solids from the sample. This produces a solids-free permeate for further analysis. A lightweight filter probe is immersed directly into an aeration basin, outlet, tank, or channel. Inside the CTS-P panel, a low-maintenance pump draws permeate through the filter membrane. To maintain filtration performance, the filter probe is cleaned automatically using compressed air. Cleaning intervals can be adjusted according to the local operating conditions. An external compressed air source is connected to the system, while the integrated pressure regulator controls the air pressure. The result is a solid-free sample, loaded time, and reliable continuous sample delivery to the analyzer. CTS-P system by ETL Verfahrensstechnik, reliable sample preparation for reliable measurements.